today we talk about how can you log into Angel memory on your family album app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go down, you click here on settings down here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here, so you just keep going down. Then you come here to configure album details here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on enter memory, you just click on it here. Then here add Angel memory ID and here security code. Then here you click on login here. Then it's going to log in with you here to Angel memory on your family album. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.